Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily turn on the Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. At first, open your settings. Here you should see mobile or cellular based on your region and language. Here, tap it and now scroll down to your SIM that you want to enable the Wi-Fi calling. I select the first one. Here you'll see Wi-Fi calling. Tap that and tap this option over here. Of course, here we have to tap it here and then tap enable. Here, as you can see, you have your carrier. Notice that you are enabling the Wi-Fi calling. Here, for example, let me translate it from Polish. You are activating the Wi-Fi calling in Play. From now, you can call, send SMSs and MMS while being connected with your hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot. And here we have to tap accept, of course based on your carrier, and now we are good to go. And that's it. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. Goodbye!